anyone who enters your universe should be put onto a list, right? They should be put onto a list that you nurture over time. I can't speak highly enough about the importance of keeping and nurturing a list. And if you have a great list, you know, the size and strength of your list will really, over the long term, dictate the size and strength of your business, because those are the people who can refer cases to you. Those are the people who will keep you in business. But then past that, if you have someone who has referred a client to you, you should have an escalation of that relationship. They should be put on the special list. You know, one of our longtime members, Vonda Kirby, who's an immigration attorney, he had this idea they called the Mavens List. And the Mavens List was anyone who would refer to him about like 2 cases a year at minimum. And those people would be put on the Mavens List. And every about 6 months to every quarter, they would receive some type of gift from him. And that was a mass mailed gift. This wasn't a personalized gift. It wasn't contingent on them sending a referral to him. He just knew that these people tended to be his super referrers.